Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we are here at Pymatuning State Park in Andover, Ohio, which is right on the PA border. Actually, the other side of the lake back there is PA side.
More campgrounds over there, but we're here this weekend at the Ohio State Park. There's a there's a festival going on, the 41st annual Pymatuning Festival. So we're gonna go check that out today and see what's happening over there.
Yeah, camping with some friends again this weekend. But Peril came out, Barry and Cheryl came out to visit us this weekend as well.
Yep, and those who glamped together. Return of the weekend. We just saw Rolling with the Stones.
Yep.
Nice to meet you guys. And who else? A couple other friends.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna have a good weekend here. Beautiful weather.
Oh, perfect.
Gorgeous weather.
Perfect weekend.
Yeah. We'll take you along with us.
Yeah. We are going to do a drive-through video, but I think the one half of the campground is actually closed.
Yeah.
Which I didn't realize. Somebody was telling me that they're
There's
third.
like 3 sections here. Yeah.
Okay.
They're redoing it.
Yeah, they're doing some upgrades over there, so I don't know if we'll be able to get in there or not, but we'll try.
Yeah. We'll see. See what we can do.
Yeah.
All right. Catch up with you at the end.
Bye.
Bye.
Save the stories for someone who cares about you, 'cause all you say is just a lie, Cause I'm so fed up of this situation, sick and tired of this hesitating. Why you gotta say all these things that just aren't true? Cause when we were good, my heart was on fire. You quenched all my desires. Didn't know that we would expire, but you turned out to be a beautiful lie. A beautiful lie. Oh no, a beautiful lie. Oh no, a beautiful lie. To be a beautiful lie. Oh no, a beautiful lie. Thought you could manipulate my head like everybody else that believed you. Because I'm so fed up of this situation, sick and tired of this hesitating. Why you gotta say all these things that just aren't true? Cause when we were good, my heart was on fire. You quenched all my desires. Didn't know that we would expire.
All right, guys, we made it here about 4.5 miles from the campground. We rode our electric e-bikes, and we're here for the 41st annual Pymatuning Festival.
Oh no, a beautiful lie. Oh no, a beautiful lie. To be a beautiful lie.
It's a little warm. I don't know.
How many slabs you do?
4.
Love me, then you hate me. It's really bringing me down. Was I wrong to believe that you and me had chemistry? 'Cause baby, I'm not ready to see you leave. Don't take this away. Don't take this away. You hate that I hold on too tight, but I don't wanna let you go tonight. Don't take this
What a perfect weekend we had.
Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous weather.
Yes, couldn't ask for anything better.
No. I think we were overdue for a good weekend. We've had so much heat and rain and everything else. So,
Humidity and-
yeah, just absolutely gorgeous weather. First weekend in August, and
yeah, I'll take it any time.
yeah. We had a really good weekend. It was fun. It was relaxing. We went to the festival. What was at the festival?
A lot of vendors selling kind
Vendors.
of junk.
Crafts,
Yeah.
you know, all the typical
My
vendor
kind of
stuff. So it was kind of fun. It was fun to look at.
It's her kind of thing.
Yeah.
The food part, that was my kind of thing.
Yeah. Your carnival food, regular festival food.
Yeah.
There was a lot of people, a lot of cars. It seemed like more cars than people because I think it was so spread out. It really wasn't crazy or anything. It was great, other than waiting in line for food took a long time because there weren't like a ton of food things. But other than that, like it didn't seem overly busy or overly crowded or anything. Dog friendly. Yeah, it was nice.
Went for
We
a few
enjoyed it.
hours. Somebody bought some stuff.
Yeah, of course. We rode our bikes down there, our e-bikes, about 4.5 miles, and it was a nice little ride. Except it was all on like main road.
Busy roads. Yeah.
Yeah.
But other than that, yeah, I mean, we just kind of hung out.
A couple walks around the campground.
Yeah.
It's a nice campground. We were here one other time, and it was like April, I think. So it's fairly empty yet. But it was nice just to kind of, I don't know, come again and get a little more feel for it. And
Our sight was pretty good. There was, nobody behind us. We were kind of in between the two roads. We did, a drive-through, which you can check out that video. The link will be at the end of this one. Some of the areas were a little more congested. So I definitely liked where we were at.
Site 13?
13, yes.
Yeah.
But we were not able to get into the one section.
Camping area 1 is closed for...
But I think here at the end of August, she said they were going to reopen it.
Not too much further.
So, probably 2-3 weeks it'll be open. They're already taking reservations for that section.
Just upgrading everything. I know they've upgraded all these other sections. There's 3 sections, so...
and a tent-only area.
Yeah, it's a nice campground.
Yeah.
Family-friendly, cute nature center. Lots of cool things to do in there. There's a couple playgrounds. There's a little beach right behind us here. Definitely a lot of boats around.
Yeah, there's boat ramps all over, not just in the campground, but in the state park here itself. Which there's areas of this park we have not explored yet, so we definitely need to come back. Yeah, I didn't even realize how big this campground was.
In the lake,
because like I said, we'd only been here the one time.
Yeah, yeah.
But I definitely want to come back. You know, it was nice, and there was a lot of groups that were here, like groups of people, tent camping, that kind of stuff. But they were quiet.
Yeah, it was.
At night,
for
it was
how
quiet. Yes.
busy and full it is, it was very crowded. You saw lots of groups sitting around campfires, but it was quiet.
Yeah, it was quiet.
Yeah, very quiet. The lake sites are really nice. Some of them have really big sites. Go up to the lake. People pull their boats up, and
yeah, they put them in at the ramp and they pull them right up to. There's like a concrete wall.
Yeah.
At the back of some of these sites, and they just dock them right there.
Yeah, yeah. I went through the one bathroom, or well, they were like individual family shower houses. Those looked nice. The rooms. There's quite a few bathrooms and shower houses around, but we just checked. I just looked at the one with the family rooms. Laundry over there too. Two dump stations. I think.
Yeah.
And then a whole separate spot for filling up with water.
Water, yeah. I like this park. It's growing on me.
It is.
I definitely would love to come back and see it some more. And I know we'll be back here next month on the other side of the lake in the Pennsylvania side for a camping trip.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. We camped in one of the Pennsylvania, I want to say Jamestown or something along those lines, years ago when the kids were young.
Yeah.
But other than that, we've only been in this area a couple of times, so it's fun to explore.
Yeah, and it's not that far. It's less than 2 hours from home for us. So.
Yep.
We'll definitely have to be back.
For sure. A lot of good friends here. We had a great time visiting and just relaxing, chilling out with everybody. Grizzly back there. Grizzly's ready to go.
Yes.
But I guess that's anything else?
Nothing that I can think. I'm sure we'll think of something after
Of course, we always
done
do.
recording. Yeah. Like, we should have talked about this.
Yeah. But all right. Keep it safe in your travels.
Keep between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye, guys.
Bye.